So if y equal to cos inverse x, then find d square y by dx square in terms of y alone. Observe this one. Answer must be in terms of y alone. So here given function is y equal to cos inverse x in terms of x. Requirement is in terms of y. Therefore, y equal to cos inverse x. Since our requirement is in terms of y, therefore, so bring the cos inverse to LHS. Cos y equal to x. Now this is implicit form. Differentiate. Differentiate with respect to x. dy dx of cos y equal to dy dx of x. Therefore, first find the derivative of cos minus sin y. Derivative of y is dy upon dx. This equal to 1. Derivative of x is 1. Therefore, dy by dx equal to minus. So this minus and divided by sin y. So we know that 1 by sin y is cosec y. Therefore, dy by dx equal to minus cosec y. Call this is equation 1. So differentiate once again. So since d square y by dx square is there, so therefore differentiating again. Differentiating again with respect to x. Therefore, derivative of dy by dx, derivative of derivative is d square y by dx square. This equal to dy dx of minus cosec y. This equal to minus derivative of cosec is cosec x cot x. Therefore, cosec y cot y. Derivative of cosec is minus cosec x cot x. So here minus of minus and d by dx of y, that is dy by dx. This equal to minus minus plus here cosec y into cot y. So dy by dx value is minus cosec y. So this into minus cosec y from 1. So that is this value. This equal to cosec into cosec square y into cot y and this minus sign. So the entire value is, the entire expression is in terms of y alone. So as per the requirement. So this is d square y by dx square. So in this problem, if y equal to 3 cos log x plus 4 sin log x, show that x square y2 plus x y1 plus y equal to 0. Observe here, so there is change of notation here. So as I told in the previous class, y2 equal to y double dash equal to d square y by dx square means second derivative. Similarly, y1 equal to y dash equal to dy by dx. So first derivative. So second derivative. This one is second derivative and this one is first derivative. First derivative. Therefore, given that y equal to 3 cos log x plus 4 sin log x. Differentiate with respect to x dy by dx or y1 equal to dy by dx of 3 cos log x plus dy by dx of 4 sin log x fx plus gx. Here 3 derivative of cos is minus sin log x composite function. So after finding cos, find the derivative of log, that is 1 by x. Similarly plus 4 derivative of sin is cos log x cos fx into 1 by x. This equal to, since LCM is same here, minus 3 sin log x plus 4 cos log x, this divided by x. Now this is on dy by dx equal to, therefore dy by dx equal to this one, take or cross multiply this, therefore x dy by dx equal to minus 3 sin log x plus 4 cos log x. So here given relation is this one. Since the requirement is y to differentiate again with respect to x, here product rule x dy dx of dy by dx plus dy by dx of x fx derivative of gx plus gx derivative of fx into gx, this equal to, so I will put direct step here, minus 3 derivative of sin is cos log x, derivative of log x is 1 by x. Similarly cos log x minus sin log x into 1 by x. So derivative of cos is minus sin, derivative of log is 1 by x. Again LCM is same here, therefore x here d square y by dx square plus dy by dx, derivative of x is 1 minus 3 cos log x divided by x minus sin log x upon x, sin log x upon x. LCM is same here, cross multiply, therefore x square d square y by dx square plus this x dy by dx equal to minus of 3 cos log x plus sin log x. So it is, the entire expression is in terms of this one. So therefore x square y2 plus x y1, this equal to minus of, so this expression is given expression, so that is y equal to this much, so therefore this equal to y given, therefore x square y2 plus x y1, bring this to LHS, plus y equal to 0. So our requirement is this one. So next type problem, this entire is the second derivative. So here given expression is y equal to a e raised to mx plus b e raised to nx, then prove that d square y by dx square minus m plus n dy by dx plus m and y equal to 0. So in this problem, so find dy by dx, d square y by dx square and substitute those values in this equation, and that must be equal to 0. So this is the only different kind of problem. Remember this one, find dy by dx and d square y by dx square. So observe here, y equal to a e raised to mx plus b e raised to nx. Differentiate with respect to x, dy by dx equal to composite function a e raised to mx, derivative of mx is m, plus b e raised to nx, again derivative of nx is n. So similarly, we will find d square y by dx square here. Differentiate with respect to x again. This becomes d square y by dx square equal to. So here a m e raised to mx, again derivative of mx is m, this becomes m square, plus b n e raised to nx, derivative of nx is n, this becomes n square. Now dy by dx, d square y by dx square, substitute this in this equation. So therefore this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. So therefore substitute all these equations in the given equation. Therefore from 1 and 2, 3, d square y by dx square is a m square e raised to mx plus b n square e raised to nx minus m plus n. From 2, dy by dx is a m e raised to mx plus b n e raised to nx plus mn. So this is given y. So this is from d square y by dx square value from 3. This is from 2. This is from 1. So this expression is from 3. This is from 2. This is from 1. This equal to a m square e raised to mx, b n square e raised to nx, m into bracket, minus a m square e raised to mx minus